like hands and soap. Get a mean, let it drag on the floor. It's a 9 in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope.
Hey guys, what's up? What it do? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Kaice, and if you are new, please take 1 second, go down below, hit that subscribe button, and click that little bell button so you don't miss when I post a new video. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this video is low-key a rush because I am about to go get my hair done, but I needed to blow dry my hair first. I'm actually doing I'm out of breath. I literally just rushed to take a shower so I could sit down and film this before I had to leave in time to get to my appointment. Thank God for this space already being set up, and all I have to do is sit down and press record because I would not have had time to like set everything up. But anyway, I am getting a protective style. My appointment is literally in like 45 minutes. And I just wanted to show you guys how I'm going to blow dry my hair before getting it put in. Tomorrow I'm doing a photo shoot for my blog, which I am relaunching very soon, so I'm really excited about that. It's gonna be nice. So but anyway, let's get into it. I have already washed and conditioned my hair. By the way, this will be my first time putting direct heat or like blow drying my hair out since I cut it or shaved it off back in February. So I'm kind of excited to see what my like true length is. I really only put heat on my hair maybe once or twice a year whenever I'm getting protective style, or sometimes I straighten my hair, but honestly like not often, especially with me trying to grow it out right now. Like I said, it's been 9 months and I haven't put any direct heat on my hair. So you guys are seeing it for the first time today. Before I do protective style or before I put heat on my hair, I always like to do some sort of protein treatment or some type of treatment that will help to strengthen my hair. So I went in with the Cream of Nature Plex Breakage Defense Treatment System. So basically first you apply the Bond Mender pre-treatment on dry or wet hair before you get in the shower or before you wash your hair. And this basically helps to bond the hair together, keep it strong, prevent breakage. It's also really good if you have damaged hair. It'll help to make your curls pop again, kind of like Opalex, I think that's what it's called. That very popular hair treatment that's really good for like colored hair or bleached hair. This system is very similar to that, but it's a lot cheaper. So yeah, I went in with this first on dry hair, let it sit for 10 minutes. Then I just shampooed my hair with the Plex Breakage Defense Restoring Shampoo. It's the second step of the treatment, and it just cleanses your hair while also strengthening it. The entire collection has castor oil and argan oil, which are both very good for strengthening the hair and moisturizing. And then it does have a step 3. This is the restoring conditioner, but I didn't use this conditioner because I went in with a deep conditioner. But to complete the entire treatment, you're technically supposed to do all 3. But of course, I break the rules. The deep conditioner that I decided to use is the Carol's Daughter Cupuacu Anti-frizz Smoothing Hair Mask. This unfortunately is discontinued, but when I found out it was going to be discontinued, I literally bought like a whole bunch of them. So I have like a lifetime supply low-key, because I only use this when I'm going to straighten or blow dry my hair out, which is not often. So I have a bunch of like unopened ones of these in my hair collection because I love it so much. It has Cupuacu butter to help smooth the hair. It has vegetable protein to fortify the hair, and it has hydrolyzed silk proteins to help strengthen the hair. And this mask was basically created to help with frizz and also to prevent the hair from getting heat damage. It's supposed to block humidity, so it's really good if you're going to straighten your hair. I don't know why I'm raving about it when you can't buy it anymore, but so yeah, I did my little bonding pre-treatment, shampooed, deep conditioned, and now we're here. So before I get any type of protective style, I do not like to use really greasy, oily, heavy products on my hair. Typically most hairstylists don't like when you come in with like really greasy hair anyway. So the leave-in conditioner that I used is the Carol's Daughter Toy Color Care Hydrating Leave-In, and unfortunately this is also discontinued. But yo, this it is so good. Like, I'm so sad that these products were discontinued. Obviously, I do not have color treated hair, but I do have very high porosity hair that is prone to breakage easily. So I like to use products that are made for color treated hair because my hair is like, it has the same properties as color treated hair, even though it's in its natural state. This has aloe leaf that helps to hydrate. It has calendula that helps to purify, and it has provitamin B5 to strengthen. I just sprayed this on my hair when I first got out the shower because I like to spray it on while my hair is dripping wet, but I'm gonna put a little bit more on just to give my hair some movement. It also smells Carol's Daughter's like original products, like before they had to kind of like dumb them down a little bit to sell it at a cheaper price. It were so good. Like, they're so high quality. I wish people talked about this brand more when it was like a prestige line, because it's just like, that's why I have like 3 of these stocked up too, because when they said this is being discontinued, I said, oh no honey, not for me. When I say it instantly strengthens the hair, like you can just feel it. A good alternative to this though is the Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength leave-in. It's not the same exact thing, but it's just another strengthening leave-in conditioner, and it's made for weak or breakage prone hair, so it's good to use before you blow dry your hair or before you're getting a protective style. The only bad thing about this one though is that it does have silicones. I know a lot of people don't like silicones, so you gotta watch out for that. But silicones honestly are not bad before you put heat on your hair. It can help to protect your hair. It also has a really strong fragrance. My hair looks so crazy. Okay, so another product, I'm so sorry, it's also discontinued, but the Carol's Daughter Macadamia Heat Protectant Serum, another favorite product for before I put heat on my hair. Another favorite Carol's Daughter product that was discontinued because y'all didn't buy it enough. If you guys watch like my very first straight hair video that I ever did on my channel, I'll try to put like a screen recording of it here. Oh my gosh, I literally used the entire Carol's Daughter collection, and that made my hair come out so nice and shiny, bouncy. I'm raving about it, and you can't buy it. Again, I'm so sorry, but it's just so good. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this, well, a lot, on my hair, and this is just gonna help protect my hair. Technically supposed to help protect your hair for up to, I think, 400 degrees or 450 degrees. Yeah, 400 is supposed to protect your hair from heat up to 400 degrees, which it's actually pretty high, and it's so lightweight. That's another thing I really like about it. It's not heavy. I literally have 20 minutes. Can I do it? Can I do it? Can I do it? A good alternative to this is the Colors Argan Macadamia Hair Oil. Not the same exact thing, but they have a lot of the same ingredients, and this is also really good for increasing the resistance to breakage on your hair. When I run out of this, because I'm going to soon, I'll probably start using this in place of it. It actually literally has almost the same exact consistency. It's like an oil, but it's kind of like an oil serum. I'm just gonna put it on because I have it here again. Okay, so this is my hair before. The length that it's growing out to is super awkward, but let's get to the blow dry. I'm gonna use my Moroccan oil blow dry that I always use. Unfortunately, I cannot find my comb attachment, so I'm gonna have to improvise and just use this Conair brush. We're gonna go ahead and just speed through this because I don't have a lot of time. So cue time lapse. So my hair is definitely growing at different rates. I can see it more clearly now. The back is, well, I already knew the back was growing in faster, but now the more I can tell the back compared to the sides, it's a huge difference. The front, I'm actually surprised that the front looks this long. I thought the front was gonna be a lot shorter than this, but it feels healthy, it feels thick. Like, I'm definitely happy with how it's growing in. Turn so y'all can see what the back look like. I can't stop laughing at myself. Okay, so my phone is alerting me to let me know that I need to go to make it to my appointment on time. So Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hopefully I'll see you guys all in the next one. And I won't be looking like this. Bye.